How to fix Fiverr Seller Plus not working. So hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Fiverr Seller Plus not working. So to fix this issue, you can start by updating the app. Just go to your Apple App Store or Google Play Store and then find Fiverr. And if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next what you can do is log out and then re-log back in. Open your Fiverr app. Then tap on your profile tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now under your settings section, tap account and then tap log out. Once you log out, immediately log back in. Now the next what you can do is head to one of your web browser, for example, Google Chrome or Safari, and then go to fiverr.com. Once you go to fiverr.com, tap on the three dot icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, then scroll down and then tap request a desktop site. Because many deep dive data features included in Seller Plus Standard and Premium do not have a dedicated UI inside the standard mobile app interface. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.